Can Shibano go in the moon upcoming time? What's the prediction? What's the update of Shiba? Can Shiba is wake up again now? Yes, exactly, my friend. These all questions, my friend, I will answering you for all holder. This video is going to be very branded now, and absolutely, my brother, Shiba is one of the fastest and viral coins this time in the crypto market. But definitely, all crypto market is spills down. So what we do at this terrible condition, I will tell you, my brother. But kindly, before I get started this video, I request you to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much. Okay, don't waste any second, my friend, of this video. Every second is going to be very important, so don't waste any time. But just only you subscribe this channel. You can say, my friends, Shiba is completely fails down. I told you, my friends, very fastly. So therefore, the main reason is that too, I don't want to waste the time. You can see, my brother, the main reason is that too, they wake up in upcoming time. The prediction is absolutely that, my friend. To they wake up in upcoming time, and so because, my friend, every cryptocurrency is moving upward in so therefore, I told you, my friends, to at the end of month they completely moving upward. And the second reason is that, my friend, to every cryptocurrencies after affairs, you can see here after this fell, absolutely they take a very good jump. So it's me to after affairs they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. So the second reason is that to they moving upward. So in the upcoming time, in the future. So the second reason, and I tell you, and the third reason is that, my friends, to at the end of month every cryptocurrency is moving upward very fastly. So therefore, I told you, my brother, to I hope, my friends, Shiba is also wake up. Shiba is also moving upward at the end of month. So therefore, you just and only, my friends, need to hold it and wait for the end of month. I hope the price is going to be very double, and they will give you very good profit. So thanks for watching, all holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and yes, press the bell icon for videos notification, because every strict channel is guide you every time.